guys, it's me, Emma, and I'm here with my best friend, Mia. And today we're making galaxy slime. So today you're going to need, if you're making two, you're going to need 2 glue sticks. There's no glue in that.
Yes, there is. Yes, there is. You just can't see it. Oh my gosh, there isn't.
Feel mine.
BRB.
Okay, so you're going to need a glue stick thing, if you have Elmer's glue, whatever. And then you're going to need 2 pan cupcake things or whatever you have. Then you're going to need food coloring. Then you're going to need glitter glue, kind of. Yeah, glitter glue. And then baby powder. So make sure you have all that stuff. And then I will be right back when she comes. And I just found a couple of more glitter glues if you want it to be like more galaxy. So, okay, and I found this one. So we're going to be using a lot of different glitter glues. It's this greenish. So let's get all these ingredients out of your way. It's this greenish one. And we're going to, in the morning, we're going to wake up and we're going to tell you guys how it turned out. And we're going to show you in a different video, though. Yeah. That'll just be like a vlog kind of thing. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to split this, and this thing is not used. It should just come off. Hang on. Wait, hold on. It does. Got it. Emma. Okay. Don't put a lot. You're putting half. It's not coming out. You're putting half. Pause it. You don't need to use a stove for this. You don't need to cook it or anything. But we're just putting it on the stove because that's the only place that we have to do this kind of work with perfect light. Ow. Ow. Okay, so we got it off. Okay, so now I'm just going to pour half in there. Not too much yet. Wait. No, that's not half. You don't need the whole thing because you have to wait till to see how much you need. Okay! That's a lot! Okay. Okay, so now we will... What do we add next? What we're going to do next, so I have this ingredient on my phone. We are going to... Type in our password real quick. I think we use baby powder. Add a drop or 2 of food coloring, so I want blue. We can make galaxy. That's what we're doing. Yeah, but I don't believe. So I'm making galaxy. Do not, I swear, do not put too much. It says put 2, so do not put more than 2. I don't think. No, because I'm doing galaxy. I need 3. I need 3 because 2. Okay, and then we're just gonna get. It's fine. Nothing happened. 3. 4. Okay. Emma, get your stuff. Can't really show my bottom right now. Straws. Yeah, just spoons. Get 2. Get 2 plastic. I'm making galaxy. She's making blue. Galaxies are. Plastic spoons are way more better because. I'm pretty sure that the food coloring would stain. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's like a dark purple. It's kind of turning into black now. Yeah, I think you added too much. Mine is perfect. Look at that. Hold on. Where's the glue? Need a little bit more glue. Me too. Don't use all of it. There you go. I'm going to do the rest. Okay, I need a little bit more pink because I did not add enough pink. Oh my gosh. This is so fun, guys. Oh my gosh. Making slime is awesome. It's not even slime yet. It's like so liquidy. No, we have to add the other ingredients. Alright, next. Mix well to combine and distribute the color. Just keep mixing it until you feel like it's the right consistency. I love saying that word. Mine's kind of turning into black, but we'll see when it's done. So don't add any more colors. Actually, it kind of looks like, yeah. Yeah, it'll turn out better.
Mine will be probably like
Okay,
see-through blue.
Okay, next
Well,
is
mine, look at
adding
it.
half of cup of baby powder.
Okay, so half of a cup.
More is needed until it reaches slime consistency.
Half of a cup.
So I'll open
Okay,
this.
half of a cup is this of baby powder.
How do we
doing?
open this?
You twist it, you.
Are you sure about that?
Yes. No, I'm not sure. Mom, can you open this, please?
Hold on, I'll pause it.
Half cup.
Okay, so now we're gonna add a half cup. Okay, so
Wow,
in each.
It's not coming out at all.
Oh my gosh.
Emma. Oh, okay.
See?
Oh. Don't squeeze it. Don't squeeze it, just let it happen. Don't squeeze it.
Baby powder.
It smells so gross. I love baby powder. I hate it. I feel like it's getting in my eyes though. Okay.
Breathing holes.
Okay, more is needed. So just put it. Pour it
Squirt
in.
it at me.
Pour it in.
See, we need bigger bowls. We need bigger bowls.
We're gonna. Oh my gosh! Yes, it's working, Emma.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. If not, we can try again. I feel like it's turning into Play-Doh.
Mine's working.
You had.
Mine is working. Looks more like purple though.
Mine isn't. Look at mine.
Mine is working.
Mine is.
Yours.
I think when it said half a cup, it didn't mean half of the cup because this is Play-Doh. It's legit Play-Doh. Okay,
Here's
well, guys,
mine.
that's a tutorial of.
Hold on, we're not done.
Play-Doh.
Hold on. Okay, so there's mine,
I think I need to add more liquid to it.
and that's hers.
Turning into
I
Play-Doh.
need more glue. That's probably what I needed. Got it on the counter.
Wait, where's the other one? Wait, where's the other one that I had?
It didn't have any in it.
Yes, it did.
A little.
A little bit.
All right. So I put a little bit more.
I'm just gonna add water to it.
It's like powder is getting into my breathing holes and my eye holes.
Okay, hopefully this
Mine
makes
is not
it
even
better.
slimy. It's so liquidy.
Maybe you need to add more. Too much liquid.
This slime is not working at all. But it's fun. I mean, maybe I need to add more baby powder.
Now I need to add my baby powder.
Here.
Don't add a lot.
It's not even a lot.
It's working, Emma. It's working.
It's really not, though.
Yes, it is.
Let me pour that much in.
Oh my god, it's so freaking chunky. I bet it's oobleck. I bet it's oobleck slime.
Mine's working. But I need to keep adding more baby powder and more baby powder.
Me too. Okay, we're gonna pause it and clean up our mess, and then we'll come back.
Okay, bye. Okay, guys, so mine is kind of working.
Mine isn't, so I'm gonna put more baby powder in it.
It's so pretty. Mine's purple and hers is blue.
Purple. I meant blue rocks. Okay.
Look at mine.
Mine is so liquidy.
This is mine, guys. It's turning into slime, but it needs more baby powder. Not too much, though. Okay, maybe that was a lot, but I can get that out of the breathing holes.
It's getting chunky.
It's working.
Oh my gosh, it's getting stuck to the bottom. It's getting stuck to the bottom.
Look at mine. Guys.
Oh my god.
So cool.
I love this.
Ooh, it's way too sticky though. Oh, I need to wipe that off.
Emma, I'm pretty sure. Oh my god, Emma, it's coming together. Emma, it is.
Mine's
see
working.
this? Look, watch. When I stir it, Emma, it's coming into solid. But when I let go, it's liquid. It has to be Oobleck slime. I just made Oobleck slime.
Mine is like
everybody.
Play-Doh kind of now. I just need to keep mixing. I'm gonna add a little bit of more color.
When I let go,
Oh my gosh, I forgot.
liquid. But
Glitter.
Keeps. I don't need glitter right now. I'm trying to focus.
I do. I want glitter. Purple glitter. Okay, I'm just gonna use blue glitter right now because